captain of TX Galaxy. The final substitute, I think it was the final substitute, Brian Onyengo, the Kenyan centre-back who came on for Mamelody Sundowns. He's going to take the first spot kick. Left-footed player Brian Onyengo. Onyengo up against Ntwari. First penalty that Ntwari will face in the colours of the Rockets. Great save, Ntwari! Sundowns miss another penalty. Advantage the Rockets. Is deja vu in the offing.
Yep, Onyengo wanted to go for power. Ntwari chooses the right side. Strong hand to deny Onyengo. Great save from Ntwari.
Methodology to Kulise, because he approached the ball and then just opened his body out. Sent the keeper the wrong way. Good penalty taken. Irebere came off the bench, the 27-year-old, based in the Limpopo province with Polokwane City, and then Marumo Gallants in his 8th appearance for the club this season. Irebere has to score, otherwise it's done. Can't imagine the sort of pressure they're feeling. He's a left-footed player, and save by Ntwari! TX Galaxy subject Mamelody Sundowns to successive penalty defeats in cup competition, and they'll be the first side through to the draw for the next round of the Carling Knockout Cup. It was such a close-run thing with that goal from Serena, or was it the own goal from Lesowenyo, in the final touch of 90 minutes that let Mamelody Sundowns off the hook and leveled the scores at 2-2 after 90 minutes. No goals in the extra time period. Came down to penalties, and in successive matches Mamelody Sundowns are beaten from the penalty spot. One must give a bow to Fiacre and Ntwari for that beautiful save. He had to go full stretch to his left-hand side. He can breathe a sigh of relief now. It's a really good penalty save of Nku. Sundowns are out of the competition.
What a way to introduce yourself to the South African football fraternity. Ntwari guesses the right way. Ferocious shot from Nku, but says not this time around. Denies Nku. Sends TS Galaxy through to the next round.
Yeah, it's a hectic way. Look at the celebration. There's a lot of relief in there from the Rockets. But it is the Rockets who cause another cup